Hey everybody, welcome back to Homestead New Hampshire. So we're making some progress. We had our friend Kevin come out, who has a small excavation company, and he came in and was able to move a rock wall that we removed right here. This will be the entrance to the new Sawmill Pad. So we pulled probably 8 stumps out of the ground with all the trees that you saw me take down in the one video. So now I'm in cleanup mode. So I'm building up this back area to get it level with the ground. We got to bring some fill in and fill this in to get it all level, and then we'll add a layer of sand, compact that, and then gravel. But primarily, what I'm doing here today is getting this all cleaned out on this side. We're gonna put the sawmill base over here. So once I'm done cleaning this out today, I can get the post hole digger out and I can start, popping some holes in the ground. So the MechMax was awesome to supply a SM32 portable sawmill. We'll do a 32-inch diameter log. It's got a 20-foot long track, so we can cut some large lumber, but that's gonna be right where the tractor is, basically. And then after that's done, we're gonna mill lumber to build a sawmill shed. So yeah, that's what I'm up to today. That's what you're gonna see in this video. And just keep watching. We've got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of content that we're shooting, and it's a blast. It's a lot of fun. This is definitely not a job, but I'm happy that everybody's here watching, and if you could hit that subscribe button, that would be amazing. You'll be able to see future content that we put out, and that helps our channel a lot. So thank you to Chapel Tractor for dropping off our L4060 demo. If you do hit that subscribe button, and you should, you're gonna see something else in the next couple of weeks as well. So it's pretty exciting. We're working on a bunch of other things, and stay tuned. We're gonna show it in upcoming videos. Have a good one, guys.
dug myself, 'cause I fell under that spell, and the fireflies in the sky spelled my name in lights, all the hope I just can't see, while I'm hurting and bleeding, but the help is on its way, way too late. I will survive. I will find a lifeline. I will survive. And you'll beg yourself to see me one more time.
Kevin's awesome. He's known Kendall forever, and he just retired from Chapel Tractor after 20-something years. So now he gets to play on his toys all day. So it's awesome. I mean, he's bringing all over his stuff all over to the house here, and look at that. Yeah. This is gonna be done in no time. Holy smokes! Look at the size of that stump. Wow. So anyway, Kevin loves doing this. He hasn't been able to play on any of his toys for so long because he's been working all the time, but now he gets to play, and he loves doing this. So I told Kevin, you know, he's been doing this stuff on the weekends for people, and you know, we're trading services a little bit. He needs some marketing done, and I need some excavating work, so this works out perfectly.